Hi all, welcome to this SolarPivotPower phone app user guide video. This phone app allows you to configure key settings for solar tracking and perform system firmware upgrades. In this video, we will cover how to install the app, how to use it for solar tracking, how to configure the system name and set an auto start time, how to manually control the solar panel positioning, and how to upgrade the system firmware. Let's start with app installation. You can download the SolarPivotPower app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for your Android or iPhone. Simply scan the QR code included in the Quick Start Guide or search for SolarPivotPower SolarPivotPower in your App Store. We have designed this as a minimal app. It doesn't collect or share any user data over the internet. The first time you open the app, it will ask for permission to use Bluetooth and location services. And that's it. Once you allow these, the app is ready to use. The phone app and the SolarPivotPower system communicate directly over Bluetooth, with no need for Wi-Fi or network setup. It's important to note that the tracking system only enables its Bluetooth connection during startup. Afterwards, it puts most components into sleep mode to conserve energy. When the system is in command mode, you will see a blinking system LED. Once the system completes its startup calibration and enters command mode, simply select your system from the list in the app to connect. Wait for the GPS coordinates to load and then tap Start Tracking. That's it, you can now close the app. The system will automatically track the sun, reset itself at night, enter sleep mode, and wake up the next morning to resume tracking. This cycle will continue indefinitely if you have connected the auxiliary solar panel, which keeps the system trickle charged. Next, let's look at how to set a unique system name. Helpful if you have multiple units, and configure an auto start timer. The auto start feature allows the system to begin tracking automatically without using the app again. Each system ships with the auto start timer set to 0, which means it will wait indefinitely for your phone app command. Here you can see that I have set the system name to SolarPivotPower Test and the auto start time to 10 minutes. This configuration was sent to the system by tapping the right icon. On the next restart of the system, once 10 minutes pass, the system should automatically begin tracking. You can also confirm the settings by accessing the system configuration. Now let's look at how to manually control the solar panel positioning. This feature is great for experimenting with how different angles affect solar output or for demonstrating fine controls to others. The manual control slider moves the panel in 1-degree increments, allowing precise positioning. Lastly, let's look at how to upgrade your system firmware. This is not something you'll need to do often. The system is designed for stable, long-term operation. However, version 1.0.4 includes an important fix for clock drift on the controller. If your system runs continuously for many days, this update helps maintain timing accuracy. The app lets you download the firmware directly from our support page. Once downloaded, simply select the file and send it to your system. The transfer happens over Bluetooth and takes a few seconds. Make sure your phone stays close to the system during this process. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll respond promptly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your SolarPivot system to get the most out of your solar power setup.